Hi guys! Welcome sa enginerdmath channel. Sa video na ito ay tuturo ko sa inyo ang transversals and special angles. So kung gusto niyo itong matutunan, just keep on watching. Okay, so this time ay tuturo ko naman sa inyo ang transversals and special angles. So, meron na akong previous videos about lines kung saan define natin yon na isa siya sa undefined terms of geometry, as well as meron din tayong iba't ibang terminologies na discuss doon about the line kung saan pwedeng maging intersecting, pwedeng maging parallel, perpendicular, coplanar, non-coplanar, and so on. So, kung hindi pa yung napapanood, isilink ko na lang para ma-check nyo. So, this time, related pa rin sa lines yung i-discuss ko, which is ito ngang transversals and special angles. Okay? So, ano bang transversal? So, i-define natin. So, meron pala muna akong figure dito na sabi, consider two lines AB and CD. So, itong lines AB and line CD that are being intersected by another line L. So, meron tayong another line, which is itong line L na to, at point P and Q respectively. So, ini-intersect daw nitong line L, itong two lines AB, tsaka CD, at points P, itong point P, and at point Q. Okay, so mapapansin nga sa figure, nagkaroon tayo ng iba't ibang angles. So, pag pinangalanan natin, ninumberan ko, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. By the way, itong dalawang line, yung lines AB at line CD is not necessarily parallel. Okay? So, yung line L ay tinatawag natin ngayong transversal. So, ano ba yung definition ng transversal? So, sabi, transversal is a line which intersects two coplanar lines at two different points. Okay, so kapag meron daw tayong two coplanar lines, take note of the word coplanar. So, yung coplanar lines natin is itong line AB nga, tsaka itong line CD. At kapag meron tayong third line na nag-intersect doon sa dalawang lines na yon at two different points. So, take note, dapat dalawang point yung in-intersect yung lines AB tsaka line CD, which is itong ang P tsaka Q. Then, nako-consider na transversal itong line L. Okay? A lines that intersects two coplanar lines at two different points. Okay? Ngayon, i-define ko yung iba't ibang angle na pinangalanan natin dito. Yung angles 1 to 8. So, unang-una, itong mga angle 1, ito, angle 2, tsaka angle 7, and angle 8, tinatawag silang mga exterior angle. Exterior angles with respect dito sa mga lines AB, lines CD, tsaka yung transversal. Kasi mapapansin nyo, parang nasa labas sila, right? So, exterior angles. Kapag ito namang angles 3, 4, 6, saka 5, tinatawag silang interior angles. So, interior angles, kasi kung mapapansin nyo, para silang nasa loob, right? So, yung angles 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles with respect dito sa mga lines. Okay? Now, meron tayong special angles. From the name of our topic, transversals and special angles. So, kapag meron tayong two lines cut by a transversal, makakabuo tayo ng mga special angles. Meron silang pangalan. So, yung una, meron tayong alternate interior angles. So, sabi, a pair of interior angles on opposite sides of a transversal that do not form a linear pair. So, dito sa nabuo nating figure, meron tayong dalawang pair of alternate interior angle. So, dahil interior sila, dito lang kayo titingin sa angles 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, alin dito yung i-prepare natin as alternate interior? Obviously, itong angle 4, and angle 6. Kasi kung mapansin nyo, interior angle sila na nasa opposite side or alternate side nitong ating transversal. Right? So, same dito sa angle 3 and angle 5. Dahil nasa alternate side sila nitong transversal at interior sila pareho, alternate interior angle sila. So, dito ko na lang isusulat. Angle 4 and angle 6 and angle 3 and angle 5. Okay, by the way, dito sa transversal, yung transversal natin is itong line L. Okay? Next, meron din tayong corresponding angles. So, a pair of interior and exterior angles on the same side of a transversal that do not form a linear pair. Okay, so, isa raw siyang interior paired with exterior angle na nasa same side nung ating transversal. So, for example, kung itong angle 1 i-consider natin, anong interior angle siya natin i-pair? So, obviously, 4 or 5 lang, right? So, hindi siya 4 kasi sabi sa definition, dapat hindi nagpo-form ng linear pair. Eh, yung 4 kasi is nagpo-form ng linear pair sa 1. So, obviously, itong 5 lang yung corresponding angle ni 1. Okay, so, angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. So, meron pa tayong natitira. So, for 2 naman, obviously, ang corresponding niya na interior angle is 6. Right? So, angle 2 and angle 6. Okay? How about naman itong 4? So, 4 is interior angle. So, kailangan niya ma-pair sa exterior, which is obviously itong 8. Right? So, hindi sila linear pair ni 4. At on the same side sila nung transversal. So, angle 4 and angle 8. And then last, ito namang angle 3, mape-pair siya obviously dito sa angle 7. One interior and one exterior on the same side of transversal. At hindi rin sila nagpo-form ng linear pair. So, angle 3 and angle 7. So, meron tayong 4 na pairs for corresponding angles. Okay, next, same side interior angles. So, interior angles on the same side of a transversal. So, from the word itself, same side interior angles, dapat interior angles sila. So, ang pagpipilian lang natin is itong 4, 3, 5, at 6. Pero dapat same side. So, kung yung alternate interior is nandun sa opposite side ng transversal, itong same side interior angles is nasa parehong side. So, obviously, ano yun? So, itong 4, tsaka itong 5, right? Nasa same side sila at interior angles. So, we have angle 4 and angle 5. And last, itong angle 3 at angle 6. Same side interior angles. So, pwede ko rin idagdag. Pwede rin tayong magkaroon ng alternate exterior angles. So, titingin lang kayo dito sa exterior angles, which is yung 1, 2, 8, at 7. Dapat alternate, hindi same side nung ating transversal. So, ano yun? Obviously, angle 1 and angle 7. Ano pa? Si angle 2 at angle 8. Okay, pag same side, exterior angle naman, so obviously, angle 1 and angle 8, tsaka angle 2 and angle 7. Okay? So, para ma-illustrate natin yung definitions ng transversal at special angle, ay mag-solve tayo ng examples. So, for number 1, is line L a transversal? Give a reason for each answer. Okay, so meron tayo dito ang letters A to C. So, i-determine daw natin kung yung line L daw ba is a transversal. So, for A, so we have two intersecting lines na line A tsaka line B. As well as, in-intersect din siya nitong line L at the same point kung saan nag-intersect yung A at B. So, dito lang. So, note na isa lang yung point of intersection ng line L dun sa dalawang lines na A tsaka B. So, therefore, hindi siya transversal. Kasi ang definition ng transversal is it must intersect the two lines at two different points. Okay, so no yung number 1. B, we have two lines C at D at meron tayong line L. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, ini-intersect nitong line L itong C at D at two different points, right? Itong dalawang points. So, therefore, line L is a transversal. Yes. For C, Okay, so this time for C, meron tayong dalawang line na kung mapapansin nyo, kabilang sila sa different planes, right? And ini-intersect sila nitong line L. So, take note kanina yung sinabi kong definition ng transversal, dapat yung dalawang lines na i-consider is coplanar or in the same plane. So, mapapansin nyo dito, wala sila sa same plane, right? So, hindi sila coplanar. Although, ini-intersect sila nitong line L sa dalawang point, pero hindi coplanar yung dalawang lines. So, line L is not considered as a transversal. So, no. Okay? Next, we have identify each transversal in the figure. Okay, so meron tayong tatlong intersecting lines intersecting at point P, Q, at R. So, identify natin kung anong pwedeng maging transversal. So, mapapansin nyo itong line na PQ. So, line PQ intersects the line PR, ito, tsaka line QR at two different points, which is nga itong point P at Q. So, therefore, pwede siyang makonsider na transversal. So, transversal siya dito sa dalawang line na to, PR and QR. Next, ito namang PR, line PR, ini-intersect niya naman itong dalawang line na PQ tsaka line RQ at points P at R. So, therefore, pwede siyang maging transversal nitong line PQ and RQ. So, PR is a transversal. Then, last, ito ring line QR, pwede siyang transversal. This time, dito naman sa dalawang line, yung PQ tsaka PR. Right? Nag-intersect kasi siya at points Q at R. So, 2 points. So, transversal siya sa lines PQ and PR. So, ito yung tatlong transversal. So, line PQ, line PR, and line QR. Okay? Next, we have identify each given pair of angles as alternate interior, corresponding interior angles on the same side of the transversal or none of this. So, meron ulit tayong figure. So, meron tayong dalawang lines na to. So, let's say line 1 and line 2. Tapos, kinakat siya ng transversal, let's say, line T. So, meron tayong mga nabuong angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same lang din dun sa figure ko kanina. So, identify natin yung mga given angle kung anong tawag sa kanila. So, sa A, angle 1 and angle 5. So, angle 1, ito, tsaka si angle 5. Obviously, corresponding angles. Next, angle 4 and angle 6. So, angle 4 and angle 6, obviously, alternate interior angles. Next, angle 3 and angle 6. So, angle 3 and angle 6. Okay. Itong dalawa. Obviously, same side interior angles. Next, D, angle 1 and angle 8. So, ito siya, angle 1 tsaka angle 8. So, hindi siya alternate interior, hindi siya corresponding, hindi siya same side interior angle. So, none of this. So, pwedeng tawag sa kanya is same side exterior angles. Next, angle 3 and angle 5. So, ito, tsaka ito, obviously, alternate interior angles. Okay? Okay, so I think that's it for this video, transversals and special angles. So, mahalaga na given two lines cut by a transversal is alam natin itong definition at kung paano mag-identify ng different parts or different angles na nabuo by the two lines cut by a transversal. So, tulad sa sinabi ko kanina, not necessarily parallel lines yung kinonsider natin. So, general lines, two lines na in-intersect lang ng isang transversal. So, mahalaga na alam natin itong mga tawag at pag-identify sa special angles na to. Kasi kapag meron tayong parallel lines cut by a transversal, merong relationship yung bawat pairs nitong angles na to, yung alternate interior, corresponding, same side interior. kapag kinonsider natin is parallel lines cut by a transversal. So, i-discuss natin yung iba't ibang theorems doon. So, sa susunod na video ko na lang yon ituturo sa inyo. Okay? So, sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video na to at maraming salamat sa panonood.